That is huge. That's incredible. We need to find an open field and turn left. I think this is an open field up here. We're gonna turn left up here. I hope this isn't a dirt road. Oh my goodness, look at the wind.
Oh, wow.
Look at that wind. Debris.
Rain.
Yep. Is this paved up here?
I don't know, but it's just that way.
I think we're gonna pull in here. Yeah, it's paved. Alright, we're gonna pull in right here and wait. We're gonna wait it out. In fact, we might turn around and head back the other way. Oh, the hail. We're gonna turn around. Making a 3-point turn, okay? We're staying here. This is an intense one. We're on the northern, just on the northern edge of the rain, or the wind, the major wind. This is the northern edge. You can hear the hail hitting the vehicle, and the gusts are kind of moving the car back and forth. Right now it's pea-size, doesn't look like baseball-size hail. Definitely not that. Pea-size hail at the current moment. Wind is very strong.
Oh.
Water's just pouring down the sides of the vehicle. It is not a wise choice to continue driving in this. Oh my gosh, that was right there. That was right there.
Wow.
Wow. That was right next to us, right in that field. We gotta get away from it. We may just wait here. That was right there too. The lightning in this thing is very intense. Dumpsters falling over, debris, garbage everywhere.
Oh my. Hopefully there was no glass in that.
I know. We've got debris in the road, garbage debris.
Oh yeah,
Nothing,
garbage dump.
not really big branches. We've got some branches in the road, right here. We got a big tree down right here on the right side. We're find the county road in a minute. We gotta get across this. Oh boy.
Whoa.
Woo! That was emergency vehicles placed way up here. I don't think we're gonna get through there. We're not gonna get through there. We're turning. Oh wow! Big tree down here.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Exact location. Check that out. This, oh, I got that. Absolutely amazing day. Oh, oh, I got all that. Yes, yes.
You have to send it to me.
Sun's going down, but after round one of these storms, got a beautiful rainbow and a backdrop with of lightning just streaking through the sky. Quite a bit of damage in Marcellus from this storm, but it looks like it's starting to move to northern Indiana, northwest Ohio. Round 2 is developing over the lake. Won't be chasing that.